Now for your independent practice, you're gonna look up your own reference for your practice image here. Okay, you're gonna use Google and you're gonna search up shape still life, which should give you a bunch of other images that look similar to this. Okay, for your reference, you're gonna need at least 4 different shapes. My reference here only had 3 different shapes. Okay, and after you choose your reference, you're gonna draw it in this box here. Your drawing should take up at least 75% of the box. So if I were to split this up into 4, 75% is 3/4, right? This much of your image of this box here should be taken up. Most likely it's gonna be closer to this much, okay? If it's less than that, then you're gonna have to redo it and you're gonna have to make it bigger. You should be able to see it from far away. The way you can tell if you're successful is you're going to look at this rubric here, right? We learned what line was and we learned how to use line in your shape still life. You're always gonna aim for the highest score possible. For line, there's only three points possible. You need to have lines that are confident, clean, and varied. I don't wanna see just the same thickness of line, the same darkness of line. I want different lines throughout. The lines that are closest to you or the shapes that are closest to you should have the darker, thicker lines, and the shapes that are further from you should have thinner or lighter lines. All right. Your lines should emphasize or enhance the detail in your drawing, okay? We're also gonna have shape. This is what we've learned how to do before. Your shapes are gonna be accurate, as in all the lessons that you learned from Unit 1, Lesson 1, right? You're following all those rules. That makes your shapes accurate. And your shapes are also gonna be proportionate, so the sizes of each shape need to be correct as well, relative to what you see on the reference. The way it doesn't have to be perfect, but the way I'm gonna grade it is if I do a quick glance at both your reference and your drawing, I wouldn't really be able to point out like, oh, that's too small or oh, that's too big. Okay, make sure that the proportions are still kept in check when you are doing your drawing.